Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel Management with Matt. It's Manage to Prosper. Last session we started discussing the fourth and last managerial function, which is controlling, which is part 6 and the last part of the channel's first book, that is Management 2015 book. Today we're going to finish the rest of the sections in that part, the controlling part. Talking about quality and value, guys. Well, when me or you go to purchase a specific product, we're actually looking for a specific utility or for a specific benefit for us. We want to make use of that product. So if we purchase the product and the product satisfies our needs and it gives us the utility that we're looking for, then we can say that the product has high quality. Otherwise, there is a big problem with the quality of the product. And from there, we can define quality as per the book as the ability of the product to provide what it is supposed to provide to the customer in order to match or to meet the customer needs. And it has to provide it reliably. And from that concept, we can go to the concept of value. And value is quite simply the benefit or the utility that the customer is getting from the product minus the sacrifice that the customer suffers from when they get the product. And this sacrifice comes in the form of the price of the product, looking for the product, learning how to use the product or the service, whatever. So here we can say that the product gives value to the customer. That's why the big companies are really extremely careful regarding managing what is called the value chain. So the value chain is simply all the tasks, the procedures, the activities that are done in the company, from the basic materials of the product or the service until delivering that final product or service to the hands of the customers, such as what Starbucks company, the famous American company, says that it extremely manages and carefully manages its value chain from the beans of the coffee until the final cup of the coffee. All of these concepts, guys, which are the concept of the quality, value chain management, are strongly related to operations management. And we're going to discuss operations management in details when we take this one of the books of the channel, which is Operations Management book. This book that you can see in front of you, it's a great American book published in 2011. So guys, that was the session for today, guys. And by this, we come to the end of our channel's first book, the first year Management 2015 book. So next session, we can start with the second book in the channel in its first year, which is the Entrepreneurship, Successfully Making New Ventures, a great American book published in 2012 that we have already introduced before in a previous video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay with us every Thursday. Subscribe to our channel on YouTube and activate the notifications bell there. Follow us, participate with us, and share the channel via all our electronic contact means, our website, MANWIM.com, YouTube, Facebook, email, and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching us, and see you next Thursday.